Hi guys, it's Jamie. Welcome or welcome back. So today I want to tell you guys I am so excited. I have completed all 12 books of the Willow Creek series. So what I'm going to introduce you today, and we're going to save some money, but if you all remember in the past, I had mock-ups in here that I was saving money for. So all the little penny challenges and stuff that was created by mistake or whatever, markup pages, I put them in here. So this is where I'm keeping count of my coins that I'm saving. And my little penny jar over here is a miss. This was what my grandkids had got me for Mother's Day and my son. So the pennies are going in here. Because pennies are kind of hard to come by here in Virginia, in our town. I think they just decided they're not using them anymore. So if I get a penny, I put it in that little jug. So all of this that was saved is now into the first book, which is Rudy. So if you buy Rudy, you will get a free PDF that explains to you how I came up with this idea, what each one of these animals mean to me. So you don't have to download. I mean, you can download it and read it off the computer, but you don't have to print it out. I printed it out so I could show you what it looked like. So you have the welcome page, and then you have a letter from me that tells you and explains to you how this came to light, how this series of savings challenges came to me. I want to tell you, I poured my heart and soul into these. I did not settle for shabbiness, countless hours. I hate to see what my screen time is on my phone, because I would get up in the morning, I'd work on it, I'd go to work, I'd come home, work on it till about 3 or 4 in the morning, then I'd go to bed, get up, same process until I actually had it to where I wanted it. This one right here is the story of Willow Creek. This right here is the family and what each one of these little characters mean. This right here is a description of what it's supposed to mean. The willow tree, a place to slow down, think, and dream. It's beautiful. And then you get the ready to meet your first friend. And then when you turn the page, that's when Rudy comes in. So what I did, like I said, I took the money from the other challenges I was using, the mock-ups, and put it into Rudy today, or yesterday. So Rudy's envelope is like this. The back is plain. It's got a tracker. You can put up here which ones it's for. You do get 5 of them. They're the same. They're simple. Some of these, as I went along, are not very colorful. They're just like white with a little picture of the savings challenge that you're working on, and then the tracker. And the reason why I've done that is I do love beautiful envelopes, but I also wanted it to become printer friendly for you guys, because believe me, I have went through the ink on these, doing mock-ups and everything else. So you'll see changes. It won't be very noticeable, but you will see Rudy's cover page is beautifully colored. Then, you go in, you'll have your meet your Rudy. Rudy will talk to you. And then, you have like simple colors to where it's not bleeding all of your ink out of your cartridges. So today, I got a little bit of money here. Let's see how much I got that we are going to save into Rudy. We got 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. We have $40. Each one of Rudy's little paw prints is worth $10. So I am just going to color in this right quick. And we'll just add the 10 to Rudy. And let me make sure I got one. Yep. So we'll add the 10. And Rudy should have 70 in there so far. So we have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70. My sinuses are killing me today. I do apologize, guys. And then the next one is the Rainy Day Savings Challenge. So what I did, I just made each raindrop $1. So let's see here. 1, 2, 3. I'll do $3 today. Let's color this in. You don't have to be perfect on your coloring. Lord knows I'm not. I hope you all enjoy these series and help me build. Now, these are built. This one is a foundation. What I'm going to do, as you see going throughout the books, you can take your money from this one, and if you want to, you can throw it to the next one. It's a stepping stone to the savings. The very last challenge, or the very last book I made, is the grand finale. And the grand finale is high numbers. So that's the reason why I wanted to do it this way. 1, 2, 3. 3 is going into the rainy day. So it should have 19 in it. I am just beyond happy with this. So there's 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So we'll lay that right there. The next one is $3 a cup. And I have not been out today, so I've not bought a monster. So I'm going to add $3 into this one. So there's 1, 2, 3. And I will color in one of these little coffee cups. I have been trying so hard to get off these energy drinks because I've noticed that they hype me up too bad. So he should have 39 now. 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. The next one is the penny challenge, which I showed you. My pennies are over there. I just done this one. So this one is finished. And actually, I think it was 25 cents. I'll go back and count it and then write it in here. This one is Rudy's Yarn Bar Challenge. And what I'm going to do, as you can see, I had just I rolled the dice and it was 3. I moved 3 spots, put a 3 in. The next one, I rolled a 5, moved 5 spots, and a 2, and then a 6. So this is how I thought I would do this challenge. And there's a 5. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will color this one and put in a 5, and we will add 5. So that's 21. And here's the 5. So we have 10, 20, 20, 10, 15, 20, 21. If I can count the day, that would be a blessing, wouldn't it, guys? So, hopefully, I'm back on the right track. I want to get back on the right track. This one right here is Rudy's Dream. And what have we got left? 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I'm just going to do 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to do 10. So I will color in these 3. 1, 2, and 3. So this is 10. This will be 44. I'm going to put that right there. And we'll count. So we have 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. We got 44. So there's that one. Now, what do we have left? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 is going to go into the Christmas. So we will do 6 and 3. Let's see what we got now. We got 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. We've got $32 in this one. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this little video, and I'm excited to see these savings grow. Remember, you can just save pennies at a time. Every little penny adds up, guys. So with that said, remember to always wear a smile, because your smile can make somebody's day. Bye, guys.